Hello, for Uber?
Yeah, hey.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good. Oh, you're really pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's not every day, you know, that I get a pretty Uber passenger.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. So, how's your day going?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Not too bad. Oh, your door's open.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you gotta kind of shut it hard. You know, like hard, like no pun intended. You know, just hard. You get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, can you put on your seatbelt, please? Like, make sure you're all tied up. Get it?
That's kind of weird.
Just trying to make a small talk. So, going pretty far today. You got a pretty long ride. We're gonna probably get pretty comfortable. You know, it might be friends by the end of this, or maybe more than friends. Just saying.
Only 20 minutes, and I'm good, honestly. I just need to go where I'm going, you know?
Okay. Well, you don't mind having a little small...
We don't have to talk this much, to be honest.
Well, I mean, we can have a little conversation throughout the ride, you know? You know, get to know each other a little bit. Why not? I feel like everyone in the world, we're all strangers. We're all best friends waiting to meet each other, you know? You never know where you might meet your next lover or your next husband, you know? I'm just saying. You never know, you know?
Honestly.
It's always when you're least expecting it, right? You're out one day, you're walking down the street, and then all of a sudden, boom, you know? Or maybe you're in an Uber, and boom, you know, you're driving. I'm just saying.
Do you think you could pull over, please?
What?
And this is where I need to go, right here.
We have 20 more minutes.
No, it's fine. Right here is fine.
No, don't worry about
No,
it.
please pull over. I feel quite uncomfortable.
Oh, it's okay. It's fine. I'll be fine. Just give me a second chance, please. Everybody deserves a second chance. Come on.
No, it's fine. I'll just call someone. Can you just pull over?
Are you serious?
Yeah. You're just making me feel like very uncomfortable.
Gosh, this
You're
is
kind of
literally
weird.
the second time today already. Okay. Well, just leave me 5 stars at least.
No.
Why not?
You're just weird.
Where's my tip? Can I have a tip?